Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a folder on the Bitwarden Desktop app. So here we will have the folders. Basically, we are at the main page. Now, let's click on the folder that we have. We need to click on this pen right here. And after that, we will be able to edit the folder, but we are interested in clicking this bin icon that is red. Now let's click it, and it will ask us if we want to delete the folder. Let's click on yes. And as you guys can see, the folder got deleted. So this is how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.